congratulations Kuya Jay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kumusta? Gusto ko munang tanungin, anong reaction nyo? Sobrang viral at
Oo nga
trending
eh.
yung kasal ninyo. Not because of the gimmick, the comedy, pero ramdam na ramdam ng fans at netizens yung pagmamahal at saya
Yeah.
ninyo as couple.
Sa tingin ko nag-viral din yun kasi nakita rin nila na yung pagmamahal ng mga bisita
Yeah.
nasa amin. Kasi kami, dapat namin na hindi sila bisita eh. Parang lahat sila kamag-anak.
Yes.
Ganun yung dating sila Kuya Aga.
Yes.
For them to, buong pamilya, parang may
Yeah.
schedule sila pa Bohol.
Even Andres, gusto sana ni Andres sumama. Kasi, syempre, ninong namin si Ninong Aga, Ninong Shirley. We went to their house, tapos nandun sila complete. And si Andres wanted to come also. But, of course, meron siyang bagets. I said he was thinking na mag-book ng early morning para lang makapunta siya. Pero syempre, di ba, pagod na pagod naman si bagets. Yeah, so, yes, there were times when we did our thank you speech at the end of the reception, we were just so thankful for everyone. Kasi they made time. Kasi buong family talaga nila. And pag hindi man buong family, yung iba fly in, fly out because they have work. So it's just, we're just very grateful.
Kumusta? Nakapag-honey mo na ba? Nakapagpahinga na ba?
Hindi pa. Well, nakakapagpahinga right now, but pagbalik kasi namin dito, nag-taping na agad si Je.
Oo,
Nag-taping, oo.
Sigabo.
Oo. Kasama kasi kasama siya dun sa Sigabo. But then, parang move na, no? Parang pahinga muna din. And at the same time, parang, okay, sakto din. Kasi kami, ready naman kami, lalo kapag serye. Pareho naman kami nagsiserye. But this time with Je, we've worked already with Direk Coco sa Batang Quiapo and also with Provinciano. And we know how dedicated the whole team is. So meron kami rin, nagre-ready rin kami. So,
Trabaho mo.
work muna, pero may mini moon din. Kumbaga parang ang galing. Na-schedule din Holy Week. So at least may ganun.